this video, we'll show you how to edit your pages for mobile devices. Once you've finished building your desktop version, you may want to make a few adjustments so your website looks even better on phones. To do that, simply switch to the phone view. By default, your design scales down automatically and usually looks great without any extra work. You can also adjust your mobile typography by going to Global Styling and changing how your fonts appear on mobile devices. If you want to make additional changes, you can. For example, if you'd like to add more spacing at the top or bottom of a section, simply drag in a spacer or any other widget. When you add a widget while editing the mobile view, you'll notice a blue phone icon. This means the widget is mobile only. If you switch back to the desktop view, you'll see that the spacer isn't there. Your desktop layout remains unchanged, keeping only the original spacing and margins. Keep in mind that if you edit an existing element, those changes will also appear on the desktop version. If you want a completely different layout for mobile, simply duplicate the section, then hide the original section on phones and tablets. Now you can place the copied section anywhere you like. You'll notice the mobile icon on the duplicated section, indicating that it's only visible on mobile devices, while desktop visitors will continue seeing the original version. From here, you're free to customize the mobile layout however you'd like. You can center the content, move elements around, add your menu again, include social media icons, or completely redesign the section to better fit smaller screens. Once you're finished, simply click Save Changes. When you return to the desktop view, you'll notice nothing has changed. Your desktop design stays exactly the same, while the mobile version uses the customized layout you created. This gives you complete control over your mobile experience. You can hide blocks you don't want, display mobile-only content, and create layouts that work better for smaller devices. For example, if you don't want a particular section to appear on mobile, simply hide it. You can also use the stretch option to control how columns behave. Depending on your content, you may prefer to keep the original column layout or allow them to stack differently. It all depends on what works best for your design. Beyond that, you can continue adjusting spacing, section height, alignment, and many other settings. As you can see, the responsive layout already does an excellent job by default, so most of the time, you'll only need to make a few small adjustments to improve the user experience. The same tools are also available for tablet view. You can customize your tablet layout independently if needed, although in most cases, the default responsive version already looks great. If you'd like, you can also create tablet-only or mobile-only sections, giving you complete flexibility to design different experiences for every device. And that's it. That's how easy it is to customize your website for both mobile phones and tablets.